Gold H4 time frame, your new sideways range, or you can say new resistance 2930 to 2895. This is your new range. So last week very big news is still no breakout, but mostly it was correction. Same like expected, entire week from beginning to end, mostly it was correction. And if this was correction, I think over last week, now this week we are expecting breakout. Technically it can be up or down breakout, but for upside breakout, Trump tariff panic secretly it was started with the last CPI and PPI number, and slowly, weeks by week, finally Trump found a way to delay, and tariff feel like only a news narrative because now Trump is doing more sanction on Russia. Same country since 2022 who already have so many sanctions from G7. Now Trump announcing more sanction until final agreement on peace. But since that last PPI, a new number come again this week. One thing is clear, Trump was panic on high inflation number. Before inflation go up more, even come weak number, but still it will be high number. Every week Trump find new way to distract people from core topic, their tariff. But they are delayed. That was the reason gold did not break out this range and did not fly for $3,000. So that is the reason 2930 big static resistance level. Above this area gold bullish, below this area gold bearish. And Friday closing almost there near that resistance level. After one down week, one correction week, all confirmation from news, because each time when SP 500 goes down, Trump tone change. So ultimately tariff were used to trigger market crash, to use as a scapegoat for recession. And finally that is happening. So as long as price trading below 2930, it is bearish and risk for new lower low. That's my retest of 2800. Top to bottom, fib retracement 50%, daily time frame support zone, all of those things they are near same place below 2800. And first big support 2895. Once the support area break out, that's when market ready to make new lower low. Because you can see Trump is not saying clear that he panicked on last CPI number, trade war over before new CPI this week. But indirectly every week new destruction from Trump, and still we don't know about that Fort Knox gold audit. Because Russia, who already has so many sanctions from G7 country, then what changed after new sanction? But new final peace agreement is coming. So big new CPI 3% already, PPI 3.5% already. Let's see what these numbers show this week. Then on Friday this week, your inflation and consumer sentiment. So long-term inflation expectation, they are rising. So same to same like previous number. If these number increase more problem. But technically you focus on these two support and resistance level. Once this level break out, you can expect counter trend correction over, gold ready to go down. And for new high and low of this range, from H4 to daily time frame, if you see, I see as WXY wave 200% projection complete, counter trend correction to entire trend top to bottom coming slowly or secretly. All the bulls will wait for retest of the support zone and trend line. COT, every week constantly they are decreasing their position. So when they will buy again, but if new lower low come 2800 below that area, a big support zone is waiting. At COT they have lots of room to buy more and more gold, but currently every week they are decreasing their position. So if it is a triangle correction, wait for more up and down movement before we get final ABCD E wave. But primary reason, tariff, like Powell said last Friday, waiting for greater clarity on Trump policy before making next move on rate. Currently everything feel like March FOMC rate pause is done deal until suddenly change everything. But like Powell said, Trump will never give you crystal clear answer on their tariff policy. So tariff is used as an excuse to trigger market crash to justify their longer rate pause. But it is better than hot war like in Biden time. So FOMC blackout, no FOMC member will say anything. Feels like they are in favor of rate pause. At least till March FOMC meeting, rate cut is not happening. So you can see tariff war, number one reason it went up, and same tariff is now used as an excuse that there will be longer rate pause. So rate cut is not happening at least till next FOMC meeting. Tariff, that's not increasing, so that's why gold stopped going up. If you see dollar index, last week sudden crash in dollar, and they use German policy as excuse. But weak dollar does not fix inflation problem. They have to do something. And SP 500, it is going down in vertical line, almost a market crash, and Trump tone change immediately. He changed the condition of those tariff, but still market falling, going down in vertical line. But Powell said economy is fine, does not need us to do anything. So that Fed put like election year 2024, Powell said no last week. Market is falling, it is going down, full crash panic, but Fed said no need to do anything. Because after oversold condition, after correction, if it fall more, then you know this is recession panic. And it is artificially triggered by Trump with their tariff and rate pause, which is happening because of there is a trade war. So daily time frame support zone is clear below 2800, but that resistance from intraday, it is not clear on daily chart, but you have resistance 2930, support 2895. Once that support area breakout, market will adjust to retest of support zone below 2800. So tariff delayed, rate cut delayed. So two primary reasons behind this bullish trend from 2600 to 2900, tariff and rate cut both delayed. Until this thing not happening, Gold will not break out to new all-time high 3300 like Goldman Sachs Bank said. Same like correction we expecting last week beginning to end. If correction over, we are expecting new fresh trend below 2930. And this week we have to see market will only correct last week bullish wave or just retest of low.